Chinese crud that I can't read. Wait, I'm reading it again. I'm gonna read this. Dude, I can't read Chinese. I'm sorry if I just insulted anybody. Well, that was kind of stupid. Okay, life number -37. Here we go.
Go through the middle.
What? No.
You just, you gotta go through the middle, and then, no, now you screwed yourself, because you can't go down.
Oh, wait. Hold on. You gotta tell me what to do here. Okay, so you gotta go up like that. Oh, okay. Oh! Flying smiley face ghost. Seriously, I'm on like -40. I'm probably gonna get like, honestly, how many times I can die. Yeah, Here we go.
Let's go. Here, I'll go down there.
Wait, oh, I know what to do now. Oh, I fingered it out.
Fingered it.
Fingered
That sounds
it.
so weird.
I fingered it with my fingers.
Okay, now you're just
Ready, correct. What? Whoa, I was
here.
in the safe distance.
Okay, this is Nimigenev here.
Nimijinev's doing this. He's better at doing this crap than I am.
Oh.
Let's see. Oh, nicely done.
You can play now.
Oh, thank you. What? We'll see if these actually work. Oh my god. Oh,
Jesus. Go get the power up.
oh, is that power up? That's... What is this? Wait, was that actually a power up? That was like, that was an evil Martian. I'll try it. Oh! What? Oh! How is this possible? I've got this!
No, don't. This is true.
How in the world? I will get this. I've got. You know what? Forget it. It's probably just gonna kill me. Never trust the post. Oh.
Whoa.
You've got to be kidding me about. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Music, bro.
So weird. Oh!
Pedo bear.
What was that?
What? Pedo bear.
Oh, I can't go back. Oh! That was evil! Evil, I tell you. The music's so weird.
You gotta go back.
Remember, Brain, remember. That's still smashing. Oh. I will do this. I will do this. I will do it slowly.
You got this, kid. You got this, you said.
What the? Calm down. Ah! Oh! Oh, I gotta go back the other way when that happens. This music is... No! The cat slipped. This will work. Oh, I forgot to move. Big bricks. Oh, no. Oh, I could have gone back all this time. You know what? This is obviously legitimately impossible. So I have one way to escape this. No, I don't. Oh!
Well, you gotta go through the level.
Can't go down?
Yeah, it's possible. You just go through it.
Do it. Oh! Well, I actually remembered it, but then my cat was just too slow.
You gotta go back and forth and back.
It was slippery. See, I gotta go like there and then come back, and man, it's just... Oh, hit my ear.
Slippery. You're just like tapping him. Oh my god, this is so cool.
No!
How about try jumping around that one edge? Like run and then jump around that edge. Like here, I'll show you. Just one sec.
Okay, I'm gonna let Niraj now do this because I obviously cannot do this.
No, like when that comes down, like jump like this.
Oh, okay.
Well, actually, no. You gotta go like.
But it's slippery, look at that.
Go. You got this, Case. Just believe in yourself. Believe in yourself. Believe in your parts.
Oh, I know the squares now. Okay. I got this.
You know the
Stand there and
exact pinpoint.
Ah!
You know the exact pinpoint location that'll fall down.
Pinpoints into my brain. Ah! So close. If I like die right after I complete this, I'd be like so mad.
Oh really?
I'm going to. I know it.
Okay. Negative 69. Make this one count.
No, it didn't count. Oh, this is so hard. Oh, why? Oh! Oh! Big, small, slam! I stopped and I was happy, and then it smashed me.
I'll give you like 2 more tries, then I'll do this one thing for you.
Oh wow, that was so close. Yeah, oh man.
I just wanted you to see that big one.
Yes!
Okay, you do it.
I'm not even gonna try this. Oh, that's Star Power. Where'd it go?
Look up.
What am I supposed to do here?
Just like get on the brick and then jump when you're like really close. Not like that. Like
Oh, you do it this time. I can't do it anymore.
Whoa.
Oh. I was gonna say that was Boston, but then it wasn't. Oh. But seriously, on like negative 77. I mean, cats only can live like they say. A cat has 9 lives.
Oh!
That's the cat. They say a cat has 9 lives, not 78 lives. Seriously, like where's this thing going to? So close.
I got this, man.
I don't know.